Good morning, children. Today we are going to do revision exercise of Neha's alarm clock in the workbook, English workbook. These are the exercise which are in the English workbook. So we are going to do this exercise of Neha's alarm clock in English workbook. So shall we start? Okay. Read the extract given below and answer the following questions. This alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Now over here small paragraph is given. 1, 2 and 3 questions are given. We have to look at this paragraph and try to find out the answer from this paragraph only. Okay, so shall we start with the question answers? Okay. What happens when the alarm clock rings? What happens when the alarm clock rings? When the alarm clock rings, Neha pulls out of the bed. Neha pulls out of the bed. Right, when the alarm clock rings, so Neha has to get up because the clock was ringing and ringing only. Second, what does Neha wish to do? What does Neha wish to do? Neha wishes to sleep little longer in the morning. Neha wishes to sleep little longer in the morning. What happens? Neha wishes to sleep. She wanted to sleep little more time in the morning. What does Neha wish for the clock? What does Neha wish for the clock? Neha wishes this clock would forget its job sometimes. What did Neha wishes? Neha wish was what? She wished that this clock would forget its job sometimes. Neha actually did not like to get up early in the morning. She was feeling a little bit bored. She wanted to sleep more, little longer in the morning. So finally, ultimately, what Neha wished was that a clock would forget his job sometimes. Okay, now fourth. Which word in the extract means the same as regularly? Same as regularly. 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 A. Alarm. B. Always. C. Longer. D. Sometimes. So, what is the correct answer? It is B. Always. Regularly and always means the same. Now, we'll go to the next exercise. Even this wish of Neha's come true. Now, we are going to the second paragraph. Even this wish of Neha's come true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. Next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Now we'll go to the question. Which wish of Neha comes true? No alarm clock next morning. This wish of Neha comes true. Neha had wished, so there was no alarm clock in the morning. She was wishing that if the alarm clock forget his job to wake up Neha in the morning. So what happened next morning? The wish of Neha also came true. Alarm clock did not wake up Neha. Who does not want Neha to miss her school bus? Who does not want Neha to miss her school bus? The sun does not want Neha to miss her school bus. Who did not wanted to miss Neha school bus? The sun. The sun was the who did not wanted Neha to miss the school bus. Third, what happens to Neha's room? What happens to Neha's room? The bright sun fills Neha's room with a warm smile. The bright sun fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Who did not wanted Neha should miss her bus? The sun. So what happened next? It happened that bright sun showed the sunshine. It filled Neha's room with a warm smile. The sun was shining very brightly, so it was a warm smile for Neha's room. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Which word in the extract is the antonym of dull? Which word in the extract is the antonym of dull? Antonym of dull means what? Opposite of it. You have to extract the antonym of dull. So A, true, B, bright, C, warm, D, big. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is bright. BRIGHT, bright. dull का क्या होता है? bright होता है. BRIGHT, bright. So we put a tick on bright. State whether the following statements are true or false. Now next question. Here we have to state the statement which is given over here. We have to write in the box T for true or F for false. So first question. The alarm clock rings at 6 in the morning. Is it true or false? Yes, the alarm clock rings at 6 in the morning. So it is true. T for true. Second, Neha wants the alarm clock to forget ringing forever. Neha wants the alarm clock to forget ringing forever. Forget ringing forever means what? Neha wants that the alarm clock does not wake her up for every time, forever. हमेशा के लिए alarm clock बजना ही बंद हो जाए. So this statement is false. It is not like that. Okay, so we have written F for false. Third, Neha is fond of the birds that come to wake her up. नेहा जो है उसको पसंद है बर्ड्स आके उसको उठाते हैं सुबह में. So what is the correct answer? It is false. F for false. It is not true. Neha is not at all fond of the birds also that come to wake her up. So this statement is false. F for false. Fourth, none of the wishes of Neha comes true. None of the wishes of Neha comes true. नेहा की जो विश थी कि उसको अलार्म क्लॉक बंद हो जाए, फिर बाद में बर्ड्स उठाना बंद हो जाए, सनशाइन करना बंद हो जाए, उसको डिस्टर्ब करना बंद हो जाए, जिससे वो थोड़ा समय तक सो सके और समय सो सके. तो ये जो विशेस थी तो वो ट्रू हुई थी ना नेहा की. तो उसमें क्या किया है क्वेश्चन? नेहा नन ऑफ द विशेस ऑफ नेहा कम्स ट्रू. नेहा के सब विशेस पूरी हुई थी. तो ये क्या हुआ? स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स हुआ. F for false. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Short answers type question. Short answer type question. Now listen, dear children. We have MCQ questions in the textbooks, right? So you have to learn these short answer type questions thoroughly. You have to learn from this workbook short answer type questions. I repeat, you have to learn it. Okay, now how does Neha wake up in the morning? नेहा सुबह में किस तरह से उठती है? नेहा wake up in the morning with the alarm clock ring. नेहा किस तरह से सुबह में उठती है? अलार्म क्लॉक बजता है तो वो तुरंत ही उठ जाती है. Why is Neha happy? Neha is happy because alarm clock has fallen. नेहा खुश क्यों थी? क्योंकि अलार्म क्लॉक जो था वो ज़मीन पर गिर गया और बंद हो गया। वाई डज नेहा से दैट शी कैन गेट अप लेट द नेक्स्ट डे? वाई डज नेहा से दैट शी कैन गेट अप लेट द नेक्स्ट डे? बिकॉज हर अलार्म क्लॉक हैज़ फॉलन। क्योंकि उसकी जो अलार्म क्लॉक थी वो नीचे गिर चुकी थी, वो टूट गई थी नीचे गिर के। What does Neha wish for the sun? What happens to the sun on the next day? What does Neha wish? नेहा की विश क्या थी सन के लिए? और दूसरे दिन सन को क्या हुआ? नेहा does not want sun to wake up her. Neha does not want sun to wake up her. Next day the sun gets behind the clouds. नेहा की विश इस तरह की थी कि सन उसको सुबह में उठा ना पाए, तो दूसरे दिन क्या हुआ? सन बादलों के पीछे छिप गया। 7th, व्हेन डज नेहा फील दैट देयर इज़ नो एस्केप? नेहा को कब महसूस हुआ कि वो बच नहीं सकती? व्हेन हर मदर वेक्स अप हर, जब उसकी मम्मा उसको उठाती है। Why does Neha eat her lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? नेहा लंच 1 o'clock in the afternoon क्यों लेती है हमेशा? Because she feel hungry at 1 in the afternoon. Because she feels hungry at 1 in the afternoon. 1 o'clock को उसे भूख लगती है दोपहर के टाइम पे, इसलिए वो लंच एग्जैक्ट एट 1 o'clock आफ्टरनून में लेती है। Why does Neha sleep at 9 every night? Because Neha feels sleepy at 9 every night. Because नेहा feel sleepy. नेहा को at 9 o'clock हमेशा सोने की आदत है, इसलिए 9 o'clock को नेहा को नींद आ जाती है और वो एवरी नाइट रात के समय 9 o'clock उसका सोने का समय होता है। Long answer type questions. This is only one. This also you have to learn it. Explain how Neha wakes up on her own. नेहा अपने आप किस तरह से उठती है? नेहा wakes up at her own without the help of alarm clock. नेहा अपने आप उठती है अलार्म क्लॉक के बिना। क्यों? There is a clock inside her. Because there is a clock inside her. उसके भीतर क्लॉक है, इस वजह से वो सुबह में जल्दी उठ जाती है। So dear children, I repeat, short answer type questions and long answer type questions. This both you have to learn it. You have to write in the workbook, plus you have to learn it orally. You have to learn it, and because these questions are not there in the text, you have MCQ over there. So these questions you have to learn it. Now we'll go to the next question. Language based question. Put a tick mark on the correct spelling. क्या करना है? जो correct spellings पे टिक करना है। ALARM alarm, ALARM alarm, ALARAM alarm. So what is the correct spelling? The correct spelling is alarm, ALARM alarm. Second, UNFIAR unfair, UNFRIAR unfair, and the last one is UNFAIR unfair. So what is the correct over here? Unfair. We have to put a tick on that word in that box. SMILE smile, SMILE smiley, and SIMILE simile. So which is the correct spelling of smile? SMILE smile. Put a tick in that box. Now MORINING morning, MORNING morning, MORNING. So which is the correct spelling of morning? MORNING. Put a tick in that box. ESCAPE escape, ECSAPE escape, ECSCAPE escape. So which is the correct spelling of escape? The first one. So put a tick in that box. ESCAPE. Now we'll do the match the following. Match the following words in column A to their meanings in column B. Column A is on the left hand side, column B is on the right hand side. First we will read the words. 1. Snuggles. 2. Mutter. 3. Escape. 4th. Windowsill. 5th. Relax. Now on right hand side, A. Get away. B. Ledge. C. Ease up. D. Curls up. E. Mumble. Now we'll do the matching. First one, SNUGGLES, snuggles means what? Curls up. CURLSUP, up, curls up. MUTTER, mutter. Mutter means mumble. MUMBLE, mumble. ESCAPE, escape. Escape means get away. GET, get. AWAY, away, get away. WINDOW, window. SILL, seal. So what is the window sill matching? LEDGE, ledge. Window sill, ledge. The last one, RELAX, relax. And EASEUP, up, ease up. Now the first one is what? Snuggles, curls up. Mutter, mumble. Escape, get away. Window sill, ledge. Relax, ease up. Now we'll go to the next exercise. In the following sentences, one word has been missed out. Write the missed out word along with the word that comes before it and the word that comes after it. हमें क्या करना है? जो वर्ड मिस आउट हो गया है वो वर्ड के साथ जो उसके पहले जो मिस हुआ है और उसके बाद जो मिस हुआ है वो हमें लिखना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज, ओ हाउ आई वुड लव टू स्लीप अ लॉन्गर इन द मॉर्निंग. सो बिफोर ए, little longer. See, how I would love to sleep. A और longer के बीच में हमने कौन सा वर्ड मिस कर दिया है? little, LITTLE, little. तो हम क्या करेंगे? sleep A, little लिखना है, फिर longer से कंटिन्यू करना है. Now second one, so Neha snores till she hears her voice. So यहाँ पे क्या है? बिफोर हर मदर्स वॉइस. सो हमें यहाँ पे देखना है कि क्या मिस आउट हो गया है. सो नेहा स्नोज टिल शी हियर्स हर मदर्स वॉइस. सो हर और वॉइस के बीच में नेहा ने क्या सुना? किसकी आवाज़ सुनी? मदर की. तो मदर्स हम वॉइस हमें बीच में हमने नहीं लिखा है. तो sentence will become like this. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Now third one, Ma who woke me today. Ma who woke me today. Before me, after missing word up और after today. तो हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे Ma who woke me, UP up है, फिर बाद में today आएगा. ओके, मी और टुडे के बीच में हमें क्या मिस आउट किया है? यूपी अप. फोर्थ वन, आई वॉन्ट टू मिस द बस. सो आई वॉन्ट टू मिस द बस. सो आई के बाद क्या आएगा? डोंट. क्या आएगा? डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिस द बस. सो आई के बाद क्या आएगा? डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिस द बस. सो शैल वी रीड द सेंटेंसेज with the correction? Okay. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Ma who woke me up today. I don't want to miss the bus. Now write antonyms of the words given below. We have to write the antonyms of the words given below. unfair, fair, fall, rise, true, false, forget, remember, happy, sad. Antonyms means what? Little bit similar to that word. It has the same meaning. See, unfair, fair. Fall मतलब गिरना और फिर राइज होना. We have to rise it up. True, false. True, false हम जो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं वो. Forget तो remember. Happy तो sad. Now dear children, please complete this exercise in your English workbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.